Hello everybody, today I am going to show that how can make simple truck into electric truck. Let's do it. This I can join this wire in this motor wire into this. Look, this yellow and green wire to motor, DC motor. That is DC motor. It is chip or sensor. It is remote. I can fit here Nokia battery and there are step. This is on off button. Yes, it's on off button. That then I can join here red and black wire into battery wire in sensor. This I can join this DC motor already here. So this sensor is I can found in old electric car. This car. Now I can going to join it. That motor. I can fit it in here. That make this. I can join this antenna, long antenna. This there. This is where this this antenna I can join it in sensor. Yeah, this. Antenna. This antenna is long and long. This long antenna it's long. Now I'm going to join it in here by screwdriver. In the other I can fit this rubber. This when this DC motor is reround this wheel, I can here give this will also run. This I can fit in it is in there. There. Yes. Now I'm going to test it.